All right, thank you once again for joining us today at Igbo Media. I send the bike Odirunu Nama. I say na Oya Duru Nama na Eke, Duru Nama na Odia, Dukwazeru Nama na Afọ. Ụzọ ahịa anọ nke ndị Igbo ji biri na ọ ya dịrị n'Igbo na mma dịka isi wee na-ewetara ya bụ ozi gbasịta maka ihe na-eme na the Igbo community na ebe dị iche iche n'obodo anyị nọ n'ime ya. Ọnụnụ ka o si ada anyị wetakwara unu ya bụ ozi gbasịta maka a news on politics n'ihe na-eme n'obodo anyị nọ n'ime ya dị iche iche dịka unu si anụ n'iru akwụkwọ ya bụ ife ka anyị chịkọrọ ọrụ na-ewetara unu ya na Igbo Media. anyị wee na-asị ọbụna nke ụbọchị gị na-esoro anyị kaba arụ ka ịgbasa ozi a ka o rute ụmụnne anyị ndị ọzọ ntị dịka ị na-eji ịnụ nnukwu ihe nke anyị ji maka ya wee bịa n'iru akwụkwọ. anyị ga-echa ya bụ ife gị tinyekwela anyị alụ nke gị ife iche gbasịta maka ya bụ ife ndị a niile ịnụ n'iru akwụkwọ ụbọchị uruchi nke taa. ngwanụ ka anyị gosi unu ya bụ ihe anyị ji maka ya wee bịa.
Restoration of May 30th, 1967 declaration of the independence of the Republic of Biafra by a way of referendum through their Foreign Affairs Unit. The United States of Biafra government officially presented the Prime Minister E.H. Simon Ekpa as the head of sovereign states of United States of Biafra. An acknowledgement of receipt of this official communication from the United States of Biafra government has been confirmed. Director General Affairs, Department of State, Honorable Ada Eze. Wow. Anekwu nke mereme, aneme ọzọ. I'm telling you, I'm happy sharing this kind of news. Like I said before, this is the kind of news that Biafrans want to be hearing. How the Biafran government are pushing and, creating awareness of Biafra to the world. Now, Canada has acknowledged the receipt of this official communication from the United States of Biafra. It's another wonderful news. If we keep on doing all this, I'm telling you, before this year runs out, many countries will acknowledge, endorse Biafra. I'm telling you, this is the kind of thing that Biafran government is supposed to be doing. Don't mind those people that want to create problem or want to destroy this government. COS, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, Chief of Staff, she is doing a wonderful job. She is doing a great job. She must focus on doing great job that she has been doing since Prime Minister was detained. Now, Canadian government have acknowledged the receipt of this official communication from the United States of Biafra government. It has been confirmed that the Canadian government have received the letter, the communication. So it's a very good news. And Biafrans have reacted to this news as well. Let us go and read some of the reaction coming from Biafran people. Enyi Chijoke said, "Good job. I never hear this type of news from the one who claimed he is acting prime minister. Even Congo to recognize their criminal have not heard." It's only how to do fundraising is what he knows. Well, I love this. Even common Congo has not. Oh my God, let us be serious, man. Maze Namdi said, all must hail Biafra. Another person, Alfonso, said, thanks so much. My honorable, please, if it's possible, let all these letters go all over in 1 week. Thank you. Wow. Ben Chooks said, my PM keep doing the wonderful job. The sky is your limit. May Elohim bless you. Another one, Ugo, said, we are on the move. No stopping. Igbo man say, all must help Biafra. Namdi say, You guys are doing a nice work. All must help Biafra. James said, we are moving fast. More grace to your elbow, my DPM. Peter said, we move. Chuka said, who are you to notify Canada? Jokers. These are Nigerian people, enemies of progress, that will never, never accept anything. You know, we have so many of them. And whenever they hear this kind of news, they'll always come out in your comment section, start saying things, commenting rubbish because they are jealous. They are jealous. And they never expected such a thing happening to Biafrans. So when this kind of news come up, you will see some of them, they'll start commenting rubbish. But we don't care. We know that this kind of thing will be happening. Some people will be countering your sources by all means. But we don't care. The thing is this, that Biafran government, Biafra as a nation, we are moving fast. How many countries now? Like I said before you know it, before this year ends, you will see so many countries that will support, endorse, or acknowledge Biafra as a sovereign state. It's happening. You can see it is happening. When countries start showing interest, acknowledgement of a country, the other countries that are there, like I said before, they will pick interest. They would like to show their support as well. Or even they would like to acknowledge that, oh, some Biafra is a country or want to exist as a sovereign state. I mean, it's obvious. So let the Biafran government, headed by COS, Chief of Staff Ngozi Orabueze, let her keep focusing, doing great job she's been doing. Let her not allow any distraction. All these people coming out, trying to destroy her, trying to attack her, say things, let her ignore them and focus. Look at now the kind of achievements that she has achieved since Prime Minister was detained. It's a good thing. And like I said before, please, this is the kind of thing that we want as a Biafrans to be hearing from the government, from the Biafran Republic government in exile. We want this kind of news that will be coming up. Oh, this country has endorsed or acknowledged, or this country has welcomed, or this country are supporting. This is the news that Biafrans at this moment need. Since the re-declaration of Biafran state, I mean, because of distraction from some of the fulefus we have, it has limited this kind of thing. But now, our Chief of Staff, Ngozi Orabueze, has focused more on making sure that Biafra awareness is being spread. Like someone said in a comment section, please, ma, if you can be spreading this kind of, sending this kind of letter out there to world powers, it's something. When you send it about 10 or 20 countries, at least 5 or 6 will acknowledge it and endorse Biafra. That's how country start. Before you know it, I said before you know it, so many countries pick interest and endorse Biafra and acknowledge Biafra as a sovereign state. It's happening. You can see it everywhere. Japan, USA, Canada. Before you know it, other countries will follow. So it's a very welcoming news. Leave your comment. Let us know what you think. Thank you. God bless you all. Bye.
ndị be anyị ekenekwanụ m unu dịka unu si wepụta oge unu igekwa ya bụ ife nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa eji maka ya wee bịa n'iru akwụkwọ na Igbo Media bụ ebe anyị si wee na-wetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasịta maka ihe na-eme n'obodo anyị nọ n'ime ya, ana gbasịta maka nnwere onwe ndị Igbo na-azọ, ana gbasịta maka Maazị Nnamdi Kanu Ladies. Dịka ị nụrụ ihe nwanne anyị nwoke kwuru n'iru akwụkwọ, ka efi were ikwu n'udo nke gị asị gị kwuo, ka efi were ikwu maka na otu aka o ji dịbe njọ ọ ya adịkwanụ mma. ọkwụ na aghọta ụmụnne m, achọrọ m ka unu tinyere anyị alụ nke unu ife unu chere n'iru akwụkwọ. Ikwucha ya bụ ife kapa arụsie ya kwurute ụmụnne anyị ndị ọzọ ntị, kwurute ụmụnne anyị ndị ọzọ ntị. Daalụ rinne na ụmụnne m Igbo ọma na-ege ntị. Anyị na-ekene ndị nnekunu si na-esoyere anyị. Anyị siri unu ngwa nke mesịa n'ụmụ Igbo.